Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College effort to enlight the eve of the World Nature Conservation Day on 28th of July. Nature means our environment. Environmental conservation is basically the practice of us humans to save the environment from collapsing, such as loss of species, ecosystem due to pollution and human activities. The main objectives of nature conservation are protect animals, protect trees, save water, prevent soil degradation. The history of the World Nature Conservation Day. Conservation means the wise use of earth and its resources for lasting good of men. The history and origin of World Nature Conservation Day is not known, but the main aim of celebrating it on 28th July is to introspect as a species on how humans are exploiting nature and take steps to conserve it. Humans are facing the warmth of global warming, various diseases, natural disaster, increased temperature, etc. due to overexploitation of natural resources. So said, environment isn't taking us to conserve her for her, but for her future generations. World and environmental problems. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed, said by Mahatma Gandhi. The major problem environment is going through pollution. There are four pollution that affects the environment most. First one, air pollution. Air pollution is release of pollution or toxic gas into the air. The pollution is caused by burning of fossil fuels, releases of gases from the industries and vehicles. It has harmful effects on human bodies, plants and animals. Second is land pollution. Land pollution is nothing but the deposition of waste in a form of solid or liquid material on land or underground in a manner that contaminates the soil and underground water. The land pollution is generally caused by garbage waste, non biodegradable waste like plastics, and industrial waste. Third is water pollution. Water pollution is caused by the release of substances into the water bodies that makes water unsafe for human to use and disrupt the aquatic ecosystem. Water pollution is caused by contaminants include toxic waste from the industry and also from petroleum waste. Radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution is caused by radioactive waste. The radioactive waste is a type of hazardous waste that contains radioactive materials. Radioactive waste is the result of many activity includes nuclear researches, medicinal waste, nuclear power waste and etc. The next environmental problem is soil degradation. Soil degradation is the loss of land's production capacity in terms of loss of soil fertility, soil biodiversity, and degradation. Soil degradation causes include agricultural, industrial, and commercial pollution, loss of arable land due to urban expansion, overgrazing, and unsustainable agricultural practice, and long term climate changes. The next problem is global warming. Global warming are the result of human practice like the emission of greenhouse gases. Global warming leads to rise in temperature of ocean and the earth's surface, causing natural disaster that includes flooding, melting of polar ice caps, rise in sea level, and also unnatural pattern of precipitation such as flash floods, hurricanes, wildlife fires, drought, excessive snow, and desertification. The next problem we face is waste disposal. The overconsumption of resources and the creation of plastics are creating a global crisis of waste disposal. Developed countries are notorious for producing an excessive amount of waste or garbage and dumping their waste in the ocean and less developed countries. Nuclear waste disposals are the tremendous health hazards associated with it. Plastic, fast food, packaging, and cheap electronic waste threatens the well-being of humans. Waste disposal is therefore one of the urgent current environmental problems. The next problem we face is deforestation. Deforestation occurs for a number of reasons, including farming, with 80% of deforestation resulting from extensive cattle ranching and logging for material and development. Environmental effects of deforestation are loss of habitat, increased greenhouse gases, water in atmosphere. The last and the most important problem we face is biodiversity loss. Biodiversity loss includes the extinction of species worldwide, as well as the local reduction or the loss of species in certain habitat, resulting in loss of biological diversity. Human drives of biodiversity loss includes habitat alteration, pollution, and overexploitation of resources. Method to follow environmental conservation. There are 5 major steps to follow the conservation. First is forest conservation. Afforestation is among the core environmental conservation and aim to plant more trees as well as save the existing ones from cutting down, as trees play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. Second, soil conservation. Soil conservation can be carried out by ensuring minimal use of fertilizer and venomous chemicals, as well as abolishing the disposal of harmful industrial waste in the soil. Third, waste management. The improper disposal of waste segregation can lead to various dreadful diseases as well as the soil pollution. To ensure minimal wastage as well as the facilitate waste disposal, we can opt for various techniques like 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse and recycle, dry and waste and wet waste segregation. Fourth is public awareness. Every individual should be made conscious of how they are polluting the environment and what steps can be taken to implement environment conservation. And the last, pollution control. We need to adopt environmental sustainable method to minimize multiple form of emission, such as eliminating waste, saving electricity, limiting the unnecessary usage of fertilizer, insecticides and pesticides, and using energy efficient appliances, among others. Now, the last thing, what a human can play role in the environmental conservation. So some measures to save the environment are: deforestation must be stopped, natural non-renewable resources must be utilized properly, afforestation is the best way to conserve the environment, create a public awareness, control pollution and population both, Recycled goods should be used. Adopt an environment friendly lifestyle. Adopt waste management techniques. The species on the verge of extinction should be saved. So, at the end, I would like to say, save nature, save life. Thank you all.